Hello, I'm from University of Japan, Engineering Faculty, undergraduate. This project mainly included WebRTC and socket review. First of all, we go through the WebRTC. What is WebRTC? Which is enable web application and website to capture potential broadcast audio or video. It also allows them to exchange any types of data within browser without the need for any intermediate, like install any out of software like that. Okay, for example, for WhatsApp video call, Google Meet in the browser, like that. It is WebRTC helps for access camera and mic and send that audio video to other person directly. Mainly, there is no server in the middle for video. It is peer-to-peer service. What is Socket IO? Socket IO is a library that enables real-time two-way communication between the client and the server. How it is work? When the client loads, it first send the HTTP request to the server. This is called the handshake. After that, server reply with a handshake response. The response status code is 10101, which is using for switching protocol. So after switching protocol, the tunnel is creating between the client and server. So now bot can send and receive a message instantly without loading the page. So this is a socket hierarchy. And let's go to the my project overview and features. First of all, my project included the authentication, normal authentication thing, and the user can create new room and or join a created already created room ID and enable disable video and mute unmute audio controls and integrated uh, checked messages and screen sharing functionality. And the main thing is the multiple users can join in the same room. And the technology stack is I mean I separate the folder two fold separate into two folders. First of all, client folder, and the second one is server folder. Client folder included all the front end things. That is, I use AKs to handle the user interface, and I use Redux for state management, and for the API calls and controls to use XUS. And after that, in the server folder, I use the Node.js to create the server side logics and then server side logics and API the API calls. And for signaling, I use Socket IO facilities to real-time communication between client and service that already we discussed. Yeah, let's go through the our project. This is my website. First of all, I don't have any credential, so I have to create a new credential. First of all, I enter my name and mail and create a password. And I have to create an account. Yeah, now I created an account. Here my name and pass emails. We want to create a new meeting join. So you have to use this option. It is option to add the meeting ID, or if you want to create it automatically, so keep it as optional. And there's a maximum participant, so uh, make the limitation of this room. And it has another option to join the meeting. It is for when enter the room ID, there's some host created meeting ID. then we can join to that room. So first of all, I create a new room. Um, I keep it as optional, the ID, and I make a participant 5, start a meeting. Yeah, this is a meeting. So this my view, and now I copy this ID. So it has many options. Chat option here. This a message from the admin because I created. So admin send the notification and stop video option, mute option, and the screenshot option for PD. First of all, I copy this ID and share this ID to my friend. Yeah, I share my ID to my friend. Uh, he will join. Hello, Sean.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Yeah. Uh,
Hello.
this is my
Am I audible?
UI, and
I'm
it has another one is grid view. Grid view mean here it can see all the users, and in here it is a participants. We can see the list of participants here. And, yeah, I make a large. When it is here, it appear in the Afsan's video, the participant video, and now I check the chat option. Yeah.
Can I
Hello,
check?
Afsan.
Yeah.
I send the chat to Afsan.
Yes. Yes. I'm. Yes. I have received your message. Can I check this chat? Okay.
Sorry.
Can I check the chat?
Yeah, please reply to my chat. Yeah, I receive your chat. Uh, now I stop my videos. And what about?
Yeah. Yeah. I couldn't visible. It couldn't visible your video. I
Yeah,
can't see your face.
yeah. Now I mute my
Can
mic. I mute my
Okay.
mic and
Okay.
uh, you please can you mute your mic?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, please something. Yeah, I not hear anything. Uh, please share your screen option. Let me check.
Okay. I'm going to share my screen.
Yeah, I can see your screen. So, okay. Okay, son, thank you. You may left from this room. Yeah, son successfully left. Let me go through the some code view. This is my Git repo to this project. Here, I added some screenshot of my project. And here the mute button, I later added that feature. That's the thing. Here it's a chat feature and grid feature. In these are I mentioned what are the features available. The create and join rooms, video, audio chat, and screen share, text chat, mute, unmute, audio controls, stop play, video console like that. Below I mentioned how to install this project, and I deploy my both server and client in railway. In here this is my server. This is my client. Yeah, successfully deployed.